Hello, students. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So, students, in our previous video, we start the new chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, types of houses. So before starting this topic, I would like to tell you what is the house. A house is a place where we live in. The house in which we live with our family is called home. So students, a home is a place where we stay with our family. Our house protects us from the heat, cold, wind and rain. It also keeps us and our belongings safe from wild animals and thieves. Our house may be big or small. It has to be strong, airy, and well lit. So, students, now the question arises, how our houses are made of? So, students, houses can be built with different materials like cement, bricks, hay, wood, glass, etc. Now, let's have a look at the different kinds of houses. So, students, in some areas, houses are made of straw and mud, are called huts. In really cold places, people make houses out of ice known as igloos. The climate and weather of a place plays an important role in kind of houses we build. So students, in mountainous regions, people make houses with sloping roofs so that the rainwater and snow can slide down easily. People living in areas with heavy rainfall make their houses on stilts. People living in plains usually make houses with flat roofs. Now students, let's come to the topic types of houses. So students, people make different types of houses. There are two types of houses. The first one is Pakka house and the second one is Kacha house. So students, houses made of bricks and cement are called Pakka house. So students, the example of Pakka houses are multi-story building and bungalow. The next is Kacha houses. So students, houses made of mud and straw are called Kacha houses. The example of Kacha houses are hut, Now students, let's learn about some more examples of houses. So students, some people keep moving from one place to another. They build houses that can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. So students, here look at the picture given. Tent is the tent is the example of temporary houses. Here some temporary houses are given. Look at these pictures. Tent, house made of thick cloth or plastic sheet. Next is karma, house on wheels. And the next one is houseboat. Such boats are usually seen in Kerala. These boats have almost all the facilities of normal house. So students, now I would like to tell you, a good house is the one which is neat and clean. We should have it should have doors and windows to allow sunlight and fresh air to come inside the house. So students, here look at the picture of igloo. These houses are made of blocks of ice. In really cold places, people make houses with blocks of ice known as igloos. So students, these all are different types of houses that we see around us. So student, now let's remember, circle the odd one out. So students, let's do this short exercise. Bricks, first one is bricks, cement, wool. So students, you know very well, bricks and cement are used for making house. So here the odd one is wool. So you have to circle the word wool. Now let's look at second. Mountains, sloping roof, plains. So students, here sloping roofs houses are built in mountainous region. So here our odd one is plains, because in plains we build flat roofs houses. So you have to circle the word plains. The next one is houseboat, cement, kacha house. So students, So students, here houseboat and kacha house is a type of houses. So here the odd one is cement. So you have to circle the word cement. Now let's do the fourth one. Tent, karwa and bungalow. So students, as you know that tent and karwa are the example of temporary houses. So here our odd one is bungalow, because bungalow is a permanent house. So you have to circle the word bungalow. So students, I hope you understand the types of houses by this video. Remaining part of the chapter we learn in the next video. So you have to read this chapter and do this short activity in your HW copy. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.